Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for a new pair of boots for your child, I highly recommend these camo ones from Deer Stags.
As a mom, I found these boots to be an excellent choice for keeping my child's feet warm and dry during the winter adventures. These boots are not only stylish but comfortable. The waterproof construction ensures that my child's feet stay protected from snow and slush, while the Thinsulate lining on the inside provides insulation against the cold. I appreciate the zipper as well. It makes it simple for my child to take on and off the boots independently. The durable rubber sole offers great traction. It really gives me peace of mind as he's navigating rocky terrain. Plus, we recently went hiking and these worked so well. As you can see, he can easily get up and down those rocks. The affordable price point makes these boots a practical option and I would highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.